Guys, listen up. Honestly, do you see this lady, Oge Chinjaka? You get me? What we say, almost, people will not just make brains at all. You get me? Come to talk down on her. You get? Honestly, this lady, a real good woman. This lady gets heart of gold. You understand me? This lady gets what we call munificent mind, man. She is big-hearted. What is happening? Oboye Kupantiefwe? Just imagine. She has a program. Are you serious? Where people, unemployed people are being trained, right, to become skilled people in terms of what sewing. Are you serious? I never knew about this. You get me? And I even learned that each year, this lady used to work supply machines. You get me? Both electric machine and manual. Are you serious? You get? See, if you can tell, right? This lady na real odogu wine kobo. No wonder she was called wine buamo. You get me? Wine alawoke. Because any woman will carry bola, they lash man. You understand me? So JPAC and the Governor Ezioku, honestly, I will tell you that in the other room, if this woman catch una, she go lash una too. She go knock una too. Oga allow unu. What you need? Yes. Because so what you mean? I no fit do anything. Tell me, what NGO have you guys done? Look at our own. You get me? Helping to liberate our youth right from financial dungeon. All right? Can you see? I even learned that the school, right, that the program is for free. She doesn't take money at all. Nobody pays anyone. She is the one that foot the bill of the teachers. Are you serious? Come on. This is what we want. Okay? No matter, mind you, everybody is not perfect, man. Right? We are imperfect beings, man. Okay, so if you are doing bad in a way, let it be a way you are also doing good. Okay, JPAC, as you dey do cho for social media, let me know one program you have anchored and you sponsored it. You've been better promise and fail. You understand me? Yes, I am saying this based on experience. What you neku? Honestly, make una leave oge you. This woman tight, no be. Obro yenku panty efu. She tight. Yes, I know that sometimes, she may be using some, vulgar words, she may be sounding so impudent, but honestly, I must tell you that we are, okay, tell me, who know they sound impudent? No, tell me. Because she know they hide her own abi. She be realist one day. She cannot hide her feelings, man. You get me? But she get bad blood against her, honestly, she must say it out. What I go not do to I Chinese. Guys, I want you to share this video. I want to get you to see this video one day. We get people with the praise them. We they say things one day. Mind you, I told you guys that my table is that of a justice, honestly. Right? On my space, I call a spade a spade. When you do good, we praise you. When you do bad, we finish you, China. Kaiko. What's your name? So, guys, make with the emulate good thing. Right? If they follow Ogechi, try to emulate the good part of her, the good thing she is doing. You get me? Not just go emulate the saga. This woman, this woman. See this woman, yeah, see what she they do. You feel do your own, make we see. Let us help. Let us help, man. Let us make a better place, right? For me and for you. Make a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are there are people buying here and there, man. Let us make a better place for the people. That shows that we are one. That shows love for humanity. I respect anyone that normally shows love for what? Humanity. You get me? I just it, guys. I rest my case.